All right, sometimes when I'm working on a feature, I just want to isolate in on one thing. And so I don't want to run all the tests or remember to go down and run a file every so often. I know that guard exists in Ruby, so you can use that to kind of run things automatically. And then you can use focus and mini test or focus in RSpec to kind of isolate in. But once in a while, you just want to run a file when anything changes in the Rails app. So today I went over to good old Copilot, and Copilot was like, "Oh, you should use this thing called entr." And I was like, "I've never heard of that." So I brew installed it, and then I went down and like kind of played with it. And I was like, "Look, anytime the app folder or the test folder change, I just want to run the tests. That's all I want. Very simple." So I went back and forth with Copilot a little bit. Eventually, figured out the find command to the point that I could say anytime app runs, get all the files in there, or basically get all the files in app, then get all the files that are Ruby files in test because I don't want to rerun every time coverage changes things and stuff like that. And then pipe that into entr. And then -c means clear it every single time it's saved so that the terminal clears off because I'm this weird perfectionist and I have to have it clean. And then -p is don't run it the first time. Wait until it actually saves once. And then -r is the command that you're basically going to run. In this case, I'm going to run Rails test, and then test workers marketing sync worker. And so you can see up here, I've got like the marketing sync worker open. I've started working on perform, and I can be like blah and save it. And then immediately down here, well, if I hit enter, I've got to hit enter. So I've hit enter. Now when I hit it, it clears it immediately. So down here, we have it cleared off. Ignore all these terrible warnings and things like that. And you can see 3 specs ran, and they all passed. Just kind of cool. I thought I would share it.